Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. Something coming in from Pete Guster from Guster Leather Works. Yeah, let's take a look at this. This is going to be kind of cool. All right, today I'm opening it up with my Javi Garcia Sultan. This is a custom Javi Garcia Sultan slip joint right here. Beautiful CPM 154, hand jigged, milled titanium scale right here with black anodization. Fantastic little knife. Really excited about this that's coming in here, and we're going to take a look at that. All right, open this box here. All right, I'm going to move this off to the side, make sure I'm good. All right, make sure there's no receipt or anything in there. Oh, got interesting paper, like Christmas paper. Okay. Make sure, is there any, oh, no receipt. Okay, good. All right, very nice. It unties, kind of like a fantastic little package there. Here we go. All right, so we got thanks again. Ooh, what is this? Thanks again. Oh, I asked him if he had some extra stickers, if you wouldn't mind. Very cool. Very cool. All right. So very nice stickers and a nice little leather wrap. Man, that's nice. All right. This is a custom leather maker. I mean, everything here is really fancy. All right. So you ready for this? All right, here we go. All right. We're going to put this off to the side down here. Put this off here. All right. I just love the way it smells. Guster Leather. All right, so here we go. So I really wanted something that was going to be along the lines of what Javi Garcia was going to use for his knives. And he actually works with Peter Guster from Guster Leather, handcrafted goods. So this is the gentleman who makes the stuff and how to care for leather, and you get all this. So this is handmade by him. It's a large slip, but man, so Javi Garcia, got the little exterior Javi Garcia and Guster Leather. So this is exactly like Javi Garcia's leather slips that he makes for his knives that I think he's going to start shipping with them when he sells them. And I bought this before he started making them. And I asked, is there any way you could do something to match the texture of the knife? You know, is that possible? I saw him do something similar on another piece of leather, and he did. All right, so now we're going to check this out. It's a big slip joint, but man, let's see here. Let's get her in here. All right, now it's going to take a while to break in. Whew, it's tight in there. All right, let's open it up. All right, so it's a nice tight fit. Now, normally he has a clip on these. I didn't really want a clip. I wanted it to be able to go in my pocket because I already carry a I carry a folding knife always with me. So so this is going to go in the pocket like that. All right. So right now I have my current one I have in my pocket. This one was made from Grizzle Bear Leather Crafting, and this is the one that carries my gentleman jack. All right. So my gentleman jack is in this one right here. Right. So this is when I hold this in my pocket is the one that I'll use for my gentleman jack, and it's a nice little slip. It's really well. So I like that. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger, this one, obviously. So it's a lot stronger. It's a lot thicker. Man, look at that. All the little finishes on here. Now he does some crazy stuff. I saw him do a custom leather bag. And some of this stuff can cost a lot of money. I mean, I'm talking a lot of money. But this is the guy who makes crazy, incredible stuff. Yeah. And this is like a simple thing for him to make. And even to do this right here, to have this kind of a nice, titanium jig on there. So, so I like that. It fits in there really well. I can go in here, I can reach, and I can pull out my leather. And so the way you do that is you squeeze it and it opens up a bit. And so that's going to fit really nicely. Now it's going to break in. as with any leather, it'll break in, it'll get a patina. Even this is broken in, it's gotten a patina on it as well. So I like that. I do enjoy that as well. So, but yeah, this is a guy who, I was going to tell you the bag that he made. I think it was like, if I'm not mistaken, I thought the bag was like $1,000 or, but it's a lot of leather and very, very complicated and very, very, very nice. I mean, this is, people have these really fantastic, like I saw I think he made the sheath for one that won Blade Show, a fixed blade. If not him, you know, I know he did something for one of them, and it was a really, 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 really fancy fixed blade. And yeah, it complemented that blade. And I mean, you know, that blade was quite a few $1,000s. And so his sheaths are really fantastic. And he'll do very specific custom work. This would be a simple one. He made a bunch of these. Now, not all of them had this kind of a jigged kind of pattern on the front, which I really, really, really dig. Really, really dig that because it matches here like that. It's a real compliment. I think that's really nice. And as this breaks in, and you know, he does talk about it on here. So wipe down the leather with a damp cloth 1 to 2 times per week, depending on use and accumulation of dirt. Condition the leather 3 to 6 months, sometimes more depending on the environment and the season. Waterproof once a year with your desired lifestyle environment calls for it. All right, so that's his little thing here, and I just love the way it smells. I gotta smell it. I didn't smell it. Hold on. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. I love the smell of fresh leather. Really, really cool. All right, that's gonna be fun to carry. This is, you know, this pays homage to this custom slip joint, and that's what this is, a custom slip joint made by Javi Garcia. And so this is something that I feel like brings, you know, really honors the work that Javi does with something, you know, and complement it with Guster Leather. I really like that a lot. So yeah, so that's Guster Leather. If you haven't done so, I mean, I believe he still has availability and his book's open, but it will be a ways out, just so you know. Don't expect them to have, like, you know, get it done for you next week. I put this order in, I don't know, quite a while ago. And, you know, I knew it was going to take quite a few weeks before he would ever get to it, just because, you know, how busy he is. So I'm going to go ahead and make this like my thumbnail image. I think this would be a good image to have, right? Let me center that. That way we can make a nice image for this, and then complement the knife and that. So let's zoom in. Hold on. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. Actually, I'm going to bring this up just a little bit. There we go. We'll bring that up here. And we'll have the knife right here. All right, so that's a Javi Garcia Sultan, right? Javi Garcia Sultan knife, slip joint. Custom Javi Garcia Sultan slip joint, right? And then what we're dealing here with is the custom leather sheath made by Guster Leather. Really, really fantastic. Really fantastic. All right, so I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can kind of get the details on this here. I'm going to move the sticker off to the side. So first of all, just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So here's the jig pattern on, why are we not focusing? Come on. So here's the jig pattern on the Sultan. You can see on both sides right there, right? So let's look at the jig pattern that he did on the leather. See that? And you can see the quality all the way around. Nice finishing all the way around. A little double stitch right there. And then this is kind of a suede in the back, nice and soft. And that's Garcia plus Guster Leather. You can see it's a kind of a collab. And so he had another one that had a clip right here. So some people like to wear it with a clip. I was very appreciative that he was able to make me one without a clip, because I like to carry, like today I'm carrying my tactile knife Archer, and that's my main carry, but I like to have a slip joint in my pocket as well at all times. So there we go. A slip very worthy of a custom slip joint. That's just really, really nice. I like that. And let's just kind of bring the two together so you can see how they complement one another. See that? The detail on there. I think it's just really cool. I think that's just really, really, really nice. Right? All right. Very cool. Very cool. This is a really fun unboxing. Yeah. So it's just a little quick one, but really, really nice, nice little custom leather slip joint. And this is the one, like I said, Javi Garcia actually had made by Guster Leather. I think all his new Sultans will probably come with something like this, or have the option to come with something like this. I don't know if he's going to include it or sell it separately. I don't know. I know he ordered them, and that's why he suggested that I talk to him, because he hadn't ordered it by the time I already bought the knife. And so I wanted to see if Guster Leather, if he wouldn't mind maybe possibly doing that for me, since he was so kind to do so. So, yeah. All right. Very, very cool. Hey, if you have any questions about this, let me know. I'd love to hear your comments down below. I do try to reply to most of them. I used to try to reply to all of them. I cannot do that anymore. So if you wonder sometimes if you make a comment, you don't see my reply. It's just, I can't keep up. We're beyond hundreds of comments now. We're into the thousands of comments, and I appreciate them. I love them, and I try to go through them and at least like them and read them. Can't always reply, so I just want you to know that, how much I appreciate you guys. But hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button down below? Subscribing and liking the content really, really helps me produce more things, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys who watches, who likes the videos, who subscribes, who enjoys the live stream, who comments, who's part of the community. I appreciate you so very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, hit that notification button also, so you can be notified of future content like this video. And a big shout out, thank you to all my channel members. I appreciate you guys so, so very much. You guys allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I would be able to do. And I am so appreciative and so thankful for you guys out there. I just want you to know that. You guys do mean the world to me. So thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys out there. If you didn't know, as a small way for me to say thank you and show my appreciation to everyone, I do I do two things for channel members. I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. It's usually a much nicer knife than the premium than a budget banger that I normally give away every week. And then also, all brand new channel members, I give a channel member sticker or channel sticker to them, and a little note if you email me with your name and address. Now that's true for anybody who's a channel member and currently a channel member, or who was a channel member, became a channel member again, and you're currently a channel member, and you've never asked or received a channel member sticker. Email me as well with your name and address, and I'd love to send you one as well. Just my small way to say thank you. All right, I sure do appreciate you guys so very much for that. So just know that, and if any of this sounds interesting, you go, yeah, I'd like to become a channel member just because that giveaway sounds cool, or I love Rob's Nerdy Knives and I want to support him. I would appreciate you guys so very much if you do consider doing that. There is a link down below in the description. I'm going to move this over so you can see it a little bit better. There's a link down below in the description. Yeah. 3 different tiers. If you're interested, I'd love to have you. Please don't ever feel obligated. Just do it if you want to. I appreciate you just watching the videos, being part of the community, enjoying the content, subscribing, whatever you do. Thank you. But if you would like to become a channel member, I am so humbled and grateful for that. You really do encourage me, and you really do allow me to do things way sooner. It's a lot of cost with shipping and things that is included here that I have to do, right? I use all the money that I make in this channel. It goes back into the channel. It goes toward the giveaways, goes towards the shipping for the knives that I get to review and borrow and pass arounds, and awesome channel subscribers and members who allow me to check out their knives and loan me their knives. I'm so humbly grateful and thankful for every one of you guys. So thank you for that. If you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. So much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.